Lesson 4.4 is working on dividing with your tens, hundreds, and thousands, and it's working on the children's mental math. Eventually they should be able to figure a lot of this out in their head, and a lot of them are getting really good at it. What I recommend doing is making sure that they're circling the basic fact that they're looking at. So on this one I have 120 divided by 4, and in my head I need to think, well, I know 12 divided by 4, and that's going to give me 3. But then I need to multiply it by 110. And so 3 times 10 is really going to give me 30 for my quotient. Another example could be 280 divided by 7. And in my head I'm going to think of my basic facts. I know 28 divided by 7 is going to give me 4, but I have to multiply it by a 10, which is going to give me 40 as my final quotient. Moving on to another example, maybe where we have hundreds, or thousands, I'm sorry, where you can say that I have 3,500, and I want to divide that by 7. I'm going to circle my basic fact I know. 35 divided by 7 is going to give me 5, but this time I'm dividing by the thousands, so I need to make sure that I multiply by the hundreds to get 500. One more example would be 9,000 divided by 3. And for this one, I'm just circling my furthest place value because I know that 3 goes into 9. And 3 goes into 9 3 times, but then I need to multiply it by 1,000 since I have the 3 zeros. And that's going to give me 3,000 as my final quotient.